Hello there, friends and family. A warm welcome to you all. Thank you so much for joining us again on the Navis Kitchen. Today we have on the menu charcoal grilled chicken using some of that green chili sauce / oil raining from Ghana, West Africa. And I have already uploaded the video on that a few days ago. So if you haven't checked on it yet, please be sure to do so. It's linked in the description box below. Now we are going to be learning how to butterfly our chicken. So you need a whole chicken. You're going to locate the spine. This chicken has been washed already, and you're going to locate the spine and cut 2 parallel lines all the way to the tail. Okay, so this is the backbone, and once you cut the backbone out, you're able to open the chicken up, and it is partially butterflied at this point. Now this piece here, reserve it for your chicken stock. Do not throw it away. So see, you can open it. However, you still don't have it flat yet, so we haven't completed yet the process of butterflying it. You're going to find the soft cartilage bone at the neck area on the breast bone, okay? And you're going to make 2 more parallel lines, and then you're able to open it up completely to butterfly it. This chicken has been through some things, honey. Look at that skin. You don't know what you're getting really, because it's packaged when you buy it, until you get home and remove the package and find out that the skin is all tore up and it's not the prettiest of chicken, but it's fresh, so it's going to taste good. Now I also snip off the pointy parts of the wings. That's just how I was taught to clean chicken, and immerse the chicken in some water, some salt, and some lime juice to clean it again, pat it dry, and we are ready to throw some flavor this chicken's way. And for great presentation, just tack the chicken wings underneath its breast. And then I have a dry rub here. I have thyme, crushed black pepper, and some salt. Your salt amount is per your preference, but it's good to season your chicken well for it to taste like meat and not bland. So once I pour that on there, I'm going to rub this dry rub onto the chicken, even get it underneath the skin and every nook and cranny. And we're ready to throw on some more flavor. So we have our green chili sauce. It is slightly spicy, but as it ages, the spiciness sort of dwindles, which I absolutely love about the sauce. So I have mostly the oil, and look at how green that oil is. It's so pretty. And I have a little bit of the sauce itself, and I drizzle it onto the chicken and rub it in really well and marinate the chicken for 3 hours. So I just put my cling film on there once it's rubbed nicely and let it just rest in the refrigerator, the most bottom part of the refrigerator, that is, and let it rest there and marinate for 3 hours. So make sure you have time to marinate your chicken. The longer it marinates, the tastier it is. And we only want tasty food now, okay? All right, so our charcoal grill is ready. I put it into the basket, butterfly style. Cook it for about 6 minutes on the skin side down first, and just look at that color we're already getting. Oh, and the aroma, these neighbors out here. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so this is looking really good. So I continue to flip back and forth. You cannot really regulate the heat, especially when you're charcoal grilling, which you do the best you can. And then toward the end of it, it took about 20 minutes to charcoal grill this, while we're controlling the heat by moving the charcoals around and sprinkling some water on it to bring the temperature down. You know how it is. And once you take it off of the grill, you let it rest for about 30 minutes before you cut through it. Otherwise, you'll lose all the juices. Why do you want to do that? No. Yeah, so just look at how juicy it is. Now, you're going to use a kitchen thermometer or a cooking thermometer and insert it into the thigh. Make sure you get 160 degrees Fahrenheit or more to make sure that your chicken is completely cooked, and dip some of that piece of chicken into that green sauce. Why not? And let me tell you, that bite is epic. Okay, it is so good. This sauce, you absolutely have to make some for yourself and store it in your refrigerator. It comes in so handy. It is versatile and it's delicious. We served it also with some potato wedges, homemade. Recipe coming up soon, so keep staying tuned. Thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you all. Make it a great day, my friends and family, and have fun, especially in that kitchen.